Hello ladies and gents, welcome to the channel. In this video, very simple tutorial on how to share games on Steam. So sharing games will allow you to share your entire Steam library with a friend, for example, or with a family member. It's going to be up to you. So guys, in general, what to do, you just need to, of course, open up your Steam. Then in here where it says manage account, press on the drop down. After that, go to the account's settings. After that, choose family management. That's where you can add the members and share your Steam library with them. And after that, guys, you just click on invite a member, and you can, for example, choose a someone from your friend list, for example, or someone else, invite them. After that, you approve them, and the entire library of all of the games that you have on your account will appear in that person's library list, so they will be able to play any of your games that you have purchased on their account, which is very handy and very cool. But guys, keep in mind there's one small caveat. When, for example, the owner of this game that is sharing is playing that game, you will not be able to play it. So if you want to play that exact game, the person who owns that game needs to quit first, and after that you can log in. But if you're playing a different game, that's completely fine. You're not going to be interrupted whatsoever. I've done this personally. It works like a charm. So this is how it's done, guys. Only in a few clicks. Very easy. Enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. See you very soon, guys.